got the Oden's Eye mystery boxes. I got both of them. I obviously bought them myself because nobody knows me and they're not gonna send it to me. So yes, I did break my no buy, but it's okay. I haven't bought that much stuff, and we're already in April, so I feel like it'll be okay. So yeah, I have no makeup on, nothing. I'm not gonna do like a tutorial or anything like that. I'm just literally going to open up the boxes. So spoiler alert. Make sure you don't watch this if you don't want to see. So I'm gonna start off with the smaller box for Oden's Eye. I haven't seen anything. I just literally opened the package today because I got them today. First thing I'm seeing is a scarf. First thing that came in it was this scarf here. This is the small box. So, fancy face. So it's Oden's Eye and the fancy face, the hummingbird scarf. It's pretty. It's very nice artwork. So okay, that's the first thing. And let's see, this is the rest of what's in here. So open these up. Okay, I feel like this is a collab. Yes, right? Betty Jean Planet Spirit palette. I feel like I have this one. Let's see. Oh yes, I have this one already. So if I had followers, I would do a giveaway. But yeah, that's the first palette. Let's see here. I'm really hoping I get the Hella palette. Oh Lord. Oh, I got some jewelry. There's a little thing there. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a little heart. Oh, it's falling. It's pretty. It's like a rose gold chain and everything. So that's nice. And then the last thing I got, let's see here. Oh, it's the hummingbird palette to match with the scarf from the Fancy Face. I do not have this one. So I'm pretty sure this is maybe their first collab. I don't think they put any of the newer collabs that they just did with these creators. So let's see. Well, that's cool. I don't have this one, so I'm excited. I kind of figured I would get maybe a repeat because I do have a lot of their palettes already. Like, I have the Angelica, Nyqvist, the Halloween palettes, and I have some of their Christmas ones, not the original one, but the ones that came out last year. And I have like the Stone and Rock palette. Ooh, this is pretty. This goes well with the Battybean, like the one I already have. But this is the color story for the Hummingbird palette. It's really pretty. Like, ew, don't look at the background. But that's really nice. I like it. I want to swatch, but I'll swatch when I do a video on them. On this one, at least. Let's see here. So that's the small box. That's the little box, or the small box. And now, the big box. Okay, I see jewelry again, and I see that same little card. So let's see. Oh wow, I got another one of the Battybean palettes. So yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway on my Instagram or something, because what am I gonna do with 2 new palettes? And then I have 2 little jewelry bags. It's not the same as the first heart, but it is another little heart necklace, which is cute. I don't really wear jewelry like that, but it's still cute. I mean, I have nieces. I could give it to them. And then what's the other jewelry one? Oh, I definitely don't have this. Oh, these are earrings. And like a little ear cuff. Let me see if I can take these out. Like a pink stone heart. I don't know, let me see. Can you kind of see? Yeah. And then, what is this? Is it a necklace or an ear cuff? I'm so confused. Oh no, it's a necklace. It's just stuck with the earring. Oh, it's the earring with an ear cuff. Like, you put it there and then, oh, that's freaking cute. I've never used one of these little contraptions, but that's cute. Alrighty, and now for the palettes, which I feel like I have them. Yep, I have this, and I have all these palettes. Oh no, I wanted the Hella palette. I have the little ghost palette, so I will be doing, yeah, I'm gonna do a little giveaway. So there's that one, and let me get my open. This is mine. This is my used one. So there's that one. So this one's new and wrapped up. And then the Hey Reindeer. Wait, do I have the Hey Reindeer palette? Pretty sure I do. Let me see. Original palette, like my used one from Battybean. So yes. So far the only new one I got was the hummingbird palette that I'm gonna keep. Like my used Hey Reindeer palette. This one right here. So this is mine. I have used it. You can, well, I don't know if you can tell, but I have used it. Yeah, so, well, I kind of figured I would get repeats, but I really was hoping I would get the Hella palette. And I didn't. It was, yeah, I'm a little disappointed, I'm not gonna lie, just because I have these things. So maybe if you already have a lot of their palettes, maybe don't go buying the mystery boxes. But I mean, they're good. You get good things. You know, you get 2 of their full-size palettes, and then one of like these. What is this? How many pans is it? Spirit palette is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a 10-pan palette, and then the Hey Reindeer, I don't know, I think it was 12 or something. I'm feeling lazy. I don't want to open it again. But I mean, that's a pretty good deal for the bigger box. And then you get, you know, I got 2 little jewelry items in there. So if you've never gotten Oden's Eye, then yes, I definitely do think it's worth it, because I think it was only like 75 or something. So it's not bad. And then the small one, I got, you know, the 2 palettes. These ones here. This one I did unwrap already, but it hasn't been used, so I don't know if I should still include it. I feel like I can include it in a giveaway, like have that one on its own little giveaway situation. But yeah, this one I'm going to keep, the Fancy Face hummingbird palette, because like I said, I don't have this one, so I'm excited I at least got that, and the scarf is really pretty. So yeah, that's what I got in my mystery boxes, the large and the small one. I probably won't be doing mystery boxes again, just because I already have a lot of their stuff. Last time I got it, I got their full eye pencils. I forgot what they're called. And then I got some single shadows from them as well, I believe. I'm pretty sure I did. So that was, you know, that was good for me, because I didn't have any of their singles or their pencils, so it worked out well for me. But yeah, I like all these. I obviously bought them myself previously, so I obviously like them. I just was really hoping I would get the Hella palette, because they're out of stock and they're not, you know, coming back with it. But yeah, I mean, I did get one of Angie's other palettes here, so I'll be putting that in the giveaway. I'll go ahead and, I've never done a giveaway, so I don't know how that works. I don't know who's gonna sign up for it, but it'll be on my Instagram. I will obviously put the information on the description below, so if you do see this, go to my Instagram and, you know, sign up or do whatever I put there. It's probably gonna be like, make sure you follow and like and comment or something, and then I'll pick somebody and then I will ship that out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will be doing a little Sephora haul, because I bought some stuff from Sephora online during their sale. But yeah, you guys will be seeing that video whenever I film it, whenever I get this stuff. But I will be doing more tutorials coming in the future as well. So yeah, sorry I look bunny, but yeah, I just wanted to film this because I just got this stuff today. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.